If you're looking for the best camping cookware, you're in the perfect spot. In this video, we'll guide you through the top 5 camping cookware options that are lightweight, durable, and designed to make your outdoor adventures even more enjoyable. Whether you're backpacking, car camping, or heading out on a weekend getaway, having the right cookware can make all the difference. We'll discuss key features, why they're worth considering, and how they'll improve your camping experience. We've spent countless hours researching and comparing hundreds of products so that you don't have to. From titanium pots to complete cooking sets, we've narrowed it down to the best of the best. Stay tuned to find the perfect fit for your needs. Don't forget to check the links in the description below to explore these products further. Number 5. Tomshoo 3PCS Titanium Cookware Set Ultralight 750ml Pot 450ml Water Cup Mug W Lid Folding Spork for Outdoor Camping Backpacking. The Tomshoo 3PCS Titanium Cookware Set is an excellent choice for ultralight backpackers. Crafted from durable titanium, this set is extremely lightweight and resistant to rust, ensuring it will last for years. The 750ml pot, 450ml water cup, and folding spork provide everything you need for a simple outdoor meal, while the mesh bag makes it easy to pack. Its compact design is perfect for those looking to save space in their backpack. Pros include its lightweight titanium construction and ease of cleaning. However, the set may not be ideal for cooking complex meals due to its smaller capacity. If you're looking for a minimalist solution, this is an outstanding choice. Number 4. Wide Sea Camping 1.3 liters, 2.3 liters Cookware Outdoor Cooking Set Heat Cooker Travel Tableware Pot Kettle Tourist Kitchen Utensil Equipment. The Wide Sea Camping Cookware Set offers versatility for 1 to 2 people. With its 1.3 liters and 2.3 liters options, this set is perfect for boiling water, cooking soups, or preparing meals. Made of aluminum alloy, it is lightweight yet robust, ensuring durability in outdoor conditions. Its foldable design and compact size make it easy to pack, and the satchel bag adds convenience for storage. Pros include its affordable price and versatility for multiple uses. However, it does not come with additional tableware or utensils, so you may need to bring extras. For campers who prioritize functionality and value, this set delivers. Number 3. Boundless Voyage Titanium Pot Pan Set with Folding Handles Camping Cookware Hiking Outdoor Tableware. The Boundless Voyage Titanium Pot Pan Set is ideal for campers who want high-quality cookware. Made of titanium, this set is lightweight, corrosion-resistant, and perfect for boiling, frying, or steaming food. Its folding handles ensure a compact design, making it easy to pack and carry. This set is a great option for hikers and backpackers who prioritize durability and performance. The pros of this set include its high-quality titanium material and multi-functionality. However, its price point may be a consideration for budget-conscious buyers. If you're looking for premium cookware for all-around use, this set is a fantastic pick. Number 2. Fire Maple Camping Cookware Utensils Dishes Camp Cooking Set Hiking Heat Exchanger Pot Kettle FMCFC 2 Outdoor Tourism Tableware. The Fire Maple Camping Cookware Set stands out for its fast boiling heat exchanger, which saves both fuel and time. With a 1-liter capacity and durable aluminum alloy construction, this set is perfect for small groups of 2 to 3 people. Its nested design allows for efficient packing, and the heat-proof handle ensures safety while cooking. Pros include its efficient heat exchanger and compact, backpack-friendly design. However, it lacks included utensils or a cooler bag, so additional gear may be needed. For campers who value quick cooking and portability, this set is an excellent choice. Number 1. Keith Titanium Stockpot Camping Cookware Camping Hiking 1.8 liters T6015. The Keith Titanium Stockpot is the ultimate camping cookware for those who need a larger capacity. With its 1.8 liter size and pure titanium construction, this stockpot is incredibly lightweight at just 236 grams while being highly durable. The sandblasted finish ensures easy cleaning, and it's perfect for making larger meals on outdoor trips. Pros include its lightweight build, large capacity, and exceptional durability. On the downside, it doesn't fold and lacks additional features like tableware or a cooler bag. However, for campers who prioritize quality and volume, this titanium stockpot is the best choice available.